Officially got to our campsite. Looks like we're number 37. Nice little fire pit. Put up the tent somewhere. It's gonna be good. Firewood. So I want to set up the tent first. Let's get to it. So I don't have a tarp today, so I'm just putting the tent straight on the concrete. Could be worse. There's one down. Did put the rain cover on. Said it's not supposed to rain, but you never know. I left this side kind of open for right now. Got both open for the airflow. This actually is the first camping trip of the year, so first time using this tent. It's going good so far. And get the fire going in a little bit. Still bright outside. Only bought one bundle, so we don't got that much. Today we're gonna be a little fancy. Well, if it works. Hopefully this fits. It's an air mattress. Try it, get back to y'all. Plan did not work. Didn't get enough battery for the blow up bed. So plan B, just gonna stack some pillows up. I'll be good. So this is the final result of my pillow. We got the unflated air mattress, which gives it some support. We got one blanket 2 blanket, and I tested it out, and it is actually pretty comfortable, so I will have no problem sleeping in here. And like I said before, this is my first time using this tent, so I'm discovering new things. These are pretty cool to pop open. There's little ventilation windows. Got that whole ventilation open. Same on this side. And I have this door stretched open, just have the, it's pretty nice. It will do. Time for the fun part, go to explore the park. This park's even got a shower house. Just walking down the park, got an amphitheater, check it out. Just did a whole walk around the park. I think I said it was like close to 30 minutes. We got some garbage bags, setting up the fire pit right now. Sun goes down at 7:30 and it's only 5:30, so we got a little bit of killing time, but I'm all for it. Planning on cooking burgers on this thing tonight, so trying to get that perfect fire. I'm excited. Like I said before earlier in the video, I haven't camped all year. It's my first time with this tent, first time in this area. So far, it's very pleasant. I'm very happy, so keep it moving. So, just in case, I don't think we'll have mosquitoes, but I brought these little off mosquito coils, and just kind of light it up, let it smoke, let it just chill in the middle of the table. So that's where we're at right now. All right, burgers are on their way. So I'm gonna get this fire going. Hopefully by the time the burgers are here, have a nice little hot plate. My setup right now is pretty easy. Just have 4 big logs. And then I kind of just feed it with these little twigs. And just keep it going. I don't use all my big logs left. I only have 4, and they're not that thick. So. This is perfect. Cooking on the cast iron tonight. Pretty excited about it. This is everything we brought for dinner. The spatula, some napkins, the fire starter, some good old salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a knife. Time to season these thick burgers. Do some garlic powder, and lots of it. Some pepper. And the best part, some salt. And we'll slow cook these puppies. Oh, rub that seasoning in, and we'll be back. Time for some popcorn in the whirly pop. We'll be back when it's all done. Making the popcorn. Show us the goods. Whoa! Alright guys, it is 8:50 and it's time for bed, so I will talk to you guys in the morning. Bye. Alright, it's like 7:30, just woke up. I slept pretty good. Woke up, gonna go back to bed, so decided to pack up and head out, get some coffee. And I'm 6'4", kind of have to sleep a little corner to corner, but it was comfortable. I'll leave the tent in the link below, okay? Pretty good. Alright, and that is it. All packed up. Site's clean. Ready to go get some coffee.